By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the concept of the importance of pedagogy, describe the process of implementing effective pedagogy, determine the key elements of effective pedagogy, define the pedagogical models. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the significance of employing effective pedagogical approaches in modern education. It centers on the process of pedagogy development to design an engaging and dynamic learning environment. So, let's begin with this question. How can you define the process of implementing effective pedagogy? Pedagogy is the art, science, and practice of teaching. It encompasses the methods, strategies, and approaches used by teachers to facilitate learning and promote student growth and development. Pedagogy is not just about delivering content, it's about creating an environment that fosters intellectual curiosity, critical thinking, and holistic development. Skilled teachers use a repertoire of instructional techniques, from direct instruction and inquiry-based learning to collaborative projects and experiential activities. They strategically sequence and scaffold content, fostering intellectual curiosity and encouraging learners to engage in rigorous analysis, problem-solving, and knowledge construction. Researchers have clarified the impact of pedagogy within educational settings, emphasizing the techniques that support learning and foster student progress and maturation. Consider the following definitions. Jarvis, 2006, contends that pedagogy is the science and art of education, the study and practice of how best to teach. It involves an understanding of how learners learn and the most effective ways of facilitating that learning. Loughran, 2013, claims that pedagogy is the art and science of teaching and learning, involving the thoughtful and informed planning, delivery, and assessment of instruction to promote student learning and development. Alexander, 2020, argues that pedagogy refers to the method and practice of teaching, especially as an academic subject or theoretical concept. It encompasses the strategies and techniques used by educators to facilitate learning. The importance of pedagogy. Effective pedagogy is essential for several reasons. 1. Student learning and achievement. Pedagogical approaches directly impact the way students acquire knowledge, develop skills, and apply their learning. Adopting appropriate pedagogical strategies can significantly enhance student learning outcomes. 2. Classroom dynamics and engagement. Pedagogy shapes the interactions between teachers and students, as well as the overall classroom environment. 3. Critical thinking development. It encourages students to question, analyze, and synthesize information, fostering higher-order thinking skills. 4. Personalization. It allows teachers to adapt their instruction to meet the diverse needs of individual learners, catering to different learning styles and abilities. 5. Inclusive education. It creates a supportive environment where all students feel valued and included, regardless of their backgrounds or abilities. 6. Professional development. Reflecting on and continuously improving one's pedagogical practices is a crucial aspect of professional growth for teachers. Staying up to date with the latest pedagogical research and trends can help teachers enhance their effectiveness. 7. Equity and inclusion. Pedagogy plays a vital role in addressing the diverse needs of students and promoting inclusive learning environments. Culturally responsive and equitable pedagogical approaches can support the success of all learners. Implementing effective pedagogy. Implementing effective pedagogy requires a multifaceted approach that considers the following elements. 1. Lesson planning and design. Thoughtful lesson planning that aligns learning objectives, instructional strategies, and assessment methods is crucial for effective pedagogy. 2. Classroom management. Establishing a well-managed and inclusive classroom environment supports the implementation of pedagogical approaches and enhances student engagement. 3. Assessment and feedback. Incorporating diagnostic, formative and summative assessments, as well as providing meaningful feedback, helps teachers monitor student progress and adjust their pedagogical practices accordingly. 4. Continuous professional development. Engaging in ongoing professional development, reflecting on teaching practices, and staying informed about the latest pedagogical research and trends is essential for teachers to continuously improve their craft and stay updated with the latest educational research. Elements of effective pedagogy. Effective teaching encompasses various elements that work together to create a successful learning environment. These elements enable teachers to facilitate meaningful learning experiences that prepare students for future challenges. A. Curriculum design. 1. Curriculum design is the thoughtful process of creating a course of study that is coherent, meaningful, and aligned with educational standards and goals. 2. It involves selecting key concepts, skills, and content that are essential for students to learn, ensuring a balance between depth and breadth. 3. Effective curriculum design also considers the sequencing of topics to build on prior knowledge and facilitate the smooth progression of learning. B. Instructional strategies. 1. Instructional strategies are the methods teachers use to deliver content and facilitate learning, adapted to the needs of the students and the objectives of the lesson. 2. They include a variety of approaches such as direct instruction, cooperative learning, project-based learning, and the use of technology to engage students in active learning. 3. Effective instructional strategies promote student participation, critical thinking, and the application of knowledge in real-world contexts. C. Assessment and evaluation. 1. Assessment and evaluation are integral to the teaching and learning process, providing feedback on student progress and informing instructional decisions. 2. They encompass both formative assessments, which offer ongoing feedback during the learning process, and summative assessments, which evaluate the extent of learning at the end of a unit or course. 3. Effective assessment practices are fair, reliable, and valid, and they include a variety of methods such as quizzes, projects, presentations, and portfolios to capture a full picture of student achievement. D. Classroom management. 1. Classroom management involves creating a structured and supportive learning environment where students feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. 2. It includes the establishment of clear expectations and routines, as well as the development of positive relationships with students. 3. Effective classroom management also involves addressing behavioral issues proactively and consistently, ensuring that the classroom remains a conducive space for teaching and learning. E. Differentiation and inclusivity. 1. Differentiation recognizes that students learn in different ways and at different paces, and it involves tailoring instruction to meet the diverse needs of all learners. 2. It may include modifying content, process, or product to ensure that each student can access the curriculum and demonstrate their understanding. 3. Inclusivity goes hand in hand with differentiation, ensuring that all students, regardless of their background or abilities, feel valued and have the opportunity to succeed. It involves creating a culturally responsive and supportive classroom environment. Pedagogical models. Pedagogical models offer a variety of approaches to teaching and learning, each with its unique benefits. These models enable teachers to cater to diverse learning styles, wants and needs, fostering a dynamic and effective educational environment. A. Direct instruction. Direct instruction is a clear and straightforward teaching model where the teacher explicitly explains the concepts, skills, and knowledge to be learned. This model is effective for teaching well-defined skills and knowledge, ensuring that all students have a strong foundation in the subject matter. B. Inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based learning is a student-centered approach that encourages learners to ask questions and explore topics through investigation. This model fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and a deeper engagement with the material. C. Project-based learning. Project-based learning involves students working on complex projects that require them to apply knowledge and skills to create a tangible outcome. This model promotes collaboration, creativity, and the application of academic learning to real-world challenges. D. Flipped classroom. The flipped classroom model reverses traditional teaching practices by having students learn concepts at home through videos or readings, and then applying that knowledge in class through discussions and activities. This model allows for more personalized instruction and active learning during class time. E. Blended learning. Blended learning combines face-to-face classroom instruction with online learning, offering the best of both worlds. This model provides flexibility, personalized learning experiences, and opportunities for both group and individual work, catering to a variety of learning styles and needs. Future trends in pedagogy. The future of education is being influenced by various innovative trends that aim to revolutionize pedagogy. These trends involve integrating new technology, enhancing the learning experience, increasing accessibility to education, and preparing students for a rapidly changing world. A. Personalized learning. Personalized learning is a revolutionary approach that adapts instruction to the unique needs, skills, and interests of each student. With advancements in technology, teachers can use data and analytics to understand how each student learns best and provide customized instruction that accelerates their progress. B. Artificial intelligence in education. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming education by offering personalized feedback, automating administrative tasks, and even creating customized learning experiences. Teachers can design content to align with students' learning styles and provide real-time support and resources. C. Neuroscience and learning. Neuroscience is shedding light on how the brain learns, which is guiding the development of more effective teaching strategies. By understanding the cognitive processes behind learning, teachers can design lessons that align with the brain's natural ways of absorbing and retaining information, making education more efficient and enjoyable. Conclusion. Pedagogy is the heart and soul of education. It is the art and science of facilitating learning in a meaningful, engaging, and effective way. It involves employing various instructional strategies to cater to students with diverse learning styles and requirements. Pedagogy strives to foster critical thinking, creativity, and a passion for learning that extends beyond the confines of the classroom. It forms the basis of high-quality education, transforming information into wisdom and classrooms into vibrant communities of learners. Pedagogy is continuously evolving, integrating new technology, personalization, and insights from neuroscience to enrich the educational journey. It is a dynamic field that requires teachers to be lifelong learners, continuously seeking to enhance their skills and remain responsive to the evolving needs of their students in order to help them achieve their full potential.